Hallo alle zusammen. How do you say to turn on and to turn off in German? And how do you say to open and close? Let's have a look at this, because in German it's all with the verb machen, to make or to do, but it uses different prefixes. So let's start. If you want the transcript for this video with exercises, you can download the PDF for free. The link is in the description. First of all, how do you say to turn on the light? Du sagst, ich mache das Licht an. Ah. You can also say, ich schalte das Licht an oder ich schalte das Licht ein. Schalten is actually this. Der Schalter ist das. So you can also use the verb schalten. But in daily language, often we just use machen. Das ist das erste Verb. This is the first verb. Let's practice. How would you say, I turn on the radio? Erstmal muss ich den Stecker reinstecken. Das ist der Stecker. Das ist die Steckdose. Und ich stecke den Stecker in die Steckdose. So. How would you say, I turn on the radio? Ich mache das Radio an.
Hier spricht der Bierkapitän. Darf ich bitte mal die Bierbrüche sehen?
And how do you say I turn it off? Ich mache das Radio aus. Okay? An, aus, an, aus. Let's practice one more. How do you say I turn on the lamp? Ich mache die Lampe an. And how do you say I turn it off? Ich mache die Lampe aus. Now let's have a look at how to say to open and to close. For example, here, what is this in German? Wie heißt das? Das ist eine Tür. How do you say I open the door? You would say, ich mache die Tür auf. Aha. And how do you say I close it? Ich mache die Tür zu. Ich mache die Tür auf, ich mache sie zu, ich mache sie auf, ich mache sie zu, ich mache sie auf, ich mache sie zu. And also these two verbs we actually use in combination with something is open or something is closed. For example, how would you say the supermarket is open? You could say der Supermarkt ist auf. You can also say geöffnet, but often in daily language we say der Supermarkt ist oder hat auf. I think in different regions they might use different verbs for that. And then, how do you say the supermarket is closed? Der Supermarkt ist zu oder geschlossen. This is the more formal version. So now, how would you say the door is closed? Die Tür ist zu. Und jetzt? Die Tür ist auf. Haha, super. There are many more verbs with machen, yeah, but these four I wanted to teach you. So remember, wir haben anmachen. What does it mean? To turn on. And by the way, it can also mean to flirt. For example, if a guy flirts with a girl, he will say, for example, afterwards, hat sie angemacht. He flirted with her. Dann haben wir ausmachen, which means to turn off. What is this again? Aufmachen, to open, und zumachen. And by the way, a friend of mine once made a funny joke. What is the opposite of Anja? My name. The joke is that the opposite of an is aus and the opposite of ja is nein. So the opposite of my name would be aus nein. It's a weird joke, but I thought it was kind of funny. Yeah, this is the video about anmachen, ausmachen, zumachen, aufmachen and so on. Now, one practice sentence. Wir machen eine Übung. How do you say this? I turn on the extractor. Let me know in the comments how to say it. I turn this. You have to know this word, on. Let me know in the comments how you would say this. Dankeschön und tschüss.